Alright traders, I hope you guys are doing well. I'm very disappointed in myself today. I did not stick to my plan. I formulated a plan in pre-market to buy MYOS on the pullback to sell off out of the gates at 150, got in prematurely, then I got out prematurely. But the thing is, I had a plan of where to get in and where to get out, and I didn't respect any of it. It's the worst thing you can do is to have a plan written out and to deviate from it. I learned a valuable lesson here today, and I really hope you guys learn from this as well. Stay tuned to the very end of the video. I'm doing a giveaway. Hope you win. Alright traders, we got a few seconds until the market opens. MYOS is our leading gapper. Let's keep an eye on it. I'm looking for a little bit of a sell-off. I want to pick this up around $1.50. I want to pick this up as low as possible. I'll put an order out there at 161. We'll see if that can retrace down to there. Pick that up. My risk on this is the crack of 150. So if it breaks under 150, I'm going to get out. I'll probably let it crack 150 just a little bit, take out some stop orders. That's what it usually does. Usually these do gravitate towards those half dollars when they get near them like it is right now. So I do think it's probably going to come down to 150. That should be some level of support. It's a 2-to-1 risk reward. I'm looking around right now, ENTX. ASNS, this one's coming down. ASNS, I still have a position on this at $3.18. The daily pattern on ASNS is beautiful. I do think one of these days coming up we could see this get some volume. It's really in a nice pattern here, so definitely keep an eye on ASNS, guys, as that one could get volume. Now MYOS, this one is starting to get a little bit of green volume here. We'll see if it can retest the open of the day. That's kind of my target where I want to sell this at. But I do think the VWAP is going to hold it up, so 175 might have to be an area where I'm going to sell this. I know a lot of shorts are probably stuffing this as it's popping up. Want to be smart about it. And this thing's just getting hammered as it's trying to pop. I probably should have sold into that, knowing that shorts were just going to be hitting the bid right up there on the pop. I'm not liking this at all right now. I'm just getting out, guys. I'm not liking it at all. Now, I really wasn't feeling it when I started seeing this upper shadow, and especially coming up near VWAP and 175 resistance. Nothing else is really moving right now, guys, so still keeping an eye on MYOS. I'm very frustrated with myself on this one because, of course, 150 is going to be support, and I sold right near it. Now it's popping up. I didn't sell when my gut was telling me, you need to be selling around 175 resistance and VWAP, because at that point I was like, well, that's 1-to-1 risk reward. I don't want to do that. That's deviating from my original plan. A lot of emotions going on, and now seeing it pop up, it's kind of frustrating. It's going to need really good volume right here to break this. Start squeezing some shorts out. See if it's going to get it. I'm watching the times and sales, seeing how fast that's going to start moving. Need a lot of green volume here to break up through this VWAP. Now we're going to have the open. So this is what I wanted. It's frustrating to watch. Definitely want to pull the trigger on it, but I can't pull the trigger on 4 green candlesticks. 175 is going to be tough resistance here again. I think this is a good lesson for me though, because I experienced FOMO trying to get into this as early as I could. I got in at 161 versus allowing it to come back down a little bit more. Because it did hit like 155 and then it came all the way down to 150. And then I didn't even respect my plan as far as the stop because it bounced right off 150 and I didn't even allow for that bounce. I just got out because I was scared of the red candle. So a lot of emotions. I hope you guys are learning something. This is a little irritating for me. But there's some good lessons to learn from this. This trade definitely could have been profitable. But I allowed my emotions to control my decision making. I take the full responsibility for it and we'll move forward. That's where a lot of traders mess up. They don't take responsibility. They say, well, the market was doing this, or it was a fake out breakout, or a bull trap or bear trap, or what have you. You got to take the responsibility because you're the one controlling the buttons. In order for us to experience growth, we have to say it was our fault. And how do we learn from this? Another thing I'm trying to focus on right now is not over trading. What I like about pre-market is I formulate the plan, and if the stock does what I think it's going to do, I get in. This morning I told you guys I want to see MYOS on a pullback at the start of the day, and then I'm going to hop into it. I just get so excited when I see these big red candles that I get into them a little prematurely sometimes. But I think I'm on the right track. You're supposed to buy fear, sell euphoria, not buy into big green candles. That's why you don't buy into these candles as it's moving up 4 candlesticks, because people get in way up at the top here, and then it has a big pullback. You buy into sell-offs. So I'm trying not to allow myself to trade more than I should, because I did that a lot offshore, and that's where I went wrong. I grew in my account very consistently when I was under the PDT, and then when I went offshore, my emotions took control. So right now I'm really trying to focus on the emotional side of it and focus on the risk side of it. But I'm really trying to train myself to predefine my risk and respect it, which I respected my risk today, but my plan I didn't respect. I'm very upset with myself as far as that trade goes. Well guys, let's get into the giveaway since MYOS is irritating me right now. Let's give away some things. So I'm going to pick someone at random for this, and I'm going to choose the person tomorrow. But in order to qualify for this giveaway, you have to like and comment on the video because the random comment generator picks someone in the comments. Now what the giveaway is I'm going to give one of you my phone number, and we're going to call, do a one-on-one session, answer any questions that you guys have. Some of you guys already have my phone number and we talk a lot. If that's the case and you're picked tomorrow, then I'll send you something for Christmas. But wait, that's not all. If you already have my phone number, I will not only send you something for Christmas, but we can have a one-on-one trading conversation as well. There's one rule though. You cannot comment something bad about me. If you comment something bad about me, like, oh, this guy is so ugly, or his trading is terrible, and you win, then you do not win. I will still send you something for Christmas, but it will be something you do not like. I love doing these things, guys. Absolutely love it. I had someone message me the other day and say, as you continue growing, don't forget about your followers. The whole reason I'm doing any of this is for you guys. Nothing makes me happier than seeing you guys make it, seeing you grow, seeing you learn, and trying to benefit you as much as I can. Everyone was always telling me, just get a real job. This is just a scam. Day trading, can't make money doing this. So nothing makes me happier than seeing you guys make it, seeing you learn how to do this. So we've done it with CMEG, got you guys the best deal there. With the scanners coming up soon, there's going to be a great exclusive Avery Day Trading followers deal for the Intensity Stockwatch scanners when you put in the code ISW Kevin. So I'm very excited to do that and announce that. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you learned something. If you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'll see you tomorrow.